gentlemen, welcome to Shaman. Dealers for Mercedes-Benz passenger vehicles presents Showbiz with Barbies, powered by Centric Mobile and Health for You. Well, who are our next guests tonight? Any guesses? Women, hold your hearts. Television's two most good-looking hunks, dapper, charming, witty, and the most successful gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome Siddhant Karnik and Kushal Punjabi.
Hi, easy. Good to see you.
Same here, welcome.
That's it.
Come. You guys.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You're looking
Come,
lovely.
guys,
Looking
thank
so
you.
beautiful.
Yeah, like Angel.
Like an angel.
Wow, that was a hot entry, guys.
I know.
Oh, yeah, really so modest. You guys are looking dapper.
Thank you.
Well, so tell me, if I were to gift you a swanky new Mercedes-Benz car, so what would your three essentials be to make your drive fun?
Firstly, thank you so much for gifting us.
Yeah, I mean, it's so gracious of you.
A very great.
Yeah.
My
You're
mom,
most
dad,
welcome.
nobody
I'll even let
else
you
has
choose
it.
the color. It's okay.
Yeah.
Sure, most welcome.
So what's your
Anytime.
essentials?
Essential for a drive. If it's in Bombay,
Yeah, wherever you like.
देखो फुल इंश्योरेंस कवर होना चाहिए जीरो डेट के साथ ठीक है खास करके जब इतनी बड़ी लंबी गाड़ी चला रहे होते ना यहाँ पे
Okay,
डीजल के लिए पैसे
okay.
हाँ,
Second?
और बीवी साथ में
Why?
Wow, क्या
Oh,
बात, क्या बात
good
है.
answer, good answer.
I'll have to take it from there and say wife
Very good. So
and
loyal.
my son
Oh, of course.
and good music. Yeah,
Very good.
you know. So
good
those
answers,
are the
guys.
essentials.
Good
Yeah, thanks.
answers.
Yeah.
But I know that one thing you both have in common is not cars but bikes.
Oh yeah.
You both are biker boys.
यस
And now Siddhant with Megha also coming into your life, I believe she's also bought a bike.
बाइक आणि बाइको both one together yeah
And she even surprised you, right, at your wedding?
yes that was quite special
What was that like?
So I was for my barat I wanted to come on a motorcycle and not a ghodi because that's the kind of horsepower I ride.
Okay.
तो मैं organize करने की कोशिश कर रहा था and a friend was supposed to come but anyways it didn't work out in the end. So I was kind of disappointed so I came in a car as normal and then suddenly I see all her family members looking onto the other side of the road.
Okay.
And I'm like, what the hell? And even her brother has got this board which says, Sid, here comes your bride. So there's this entire anticipation and I'm like, there's nobody there. And down the corner she comes wearing a full lehenga, Ray-Bans and riding a bullet.
Oh
man.
my
Arey
God.
yaar. And I didn't know she could ride before that.
Wow.
That should be like one of the coolest bride, you know.
That is surely the
Epic.
coolest entry a bride has taken.
Yeah.
But you guys are also impulsive travelers. You'll travel a lot, right?
Yeah.
Like, tell me more about your traveling and where all you'll go.
So I think the last one we got to know she's got a couple of days off. So we booked ourselves one-way tickets and we flew to a place called Kodaikanal, which is
Oh,
in the
wow,
south
it's
of India.
beautiful.
Yeah, and we borrowed a friend's jeep and we drove over there and we made sure he will come back only once the scheduler calls, bhai, please aa jao wapas shoot.
Yeah, I did see some pictures on Instagram and I was like,
Yes.
where are these guys going in the Jeep? But
Yes.
you also travel alone, right? You've got into vlogging recently, right?
Yes,
There's
yes.
something you did for Bhutan.
Correct.
And who will know better that you've been vlogging because after the flamingo incident and the
Where?
Adraki
Where? Where?
chicken, you want to brief Kushal
I
about?
have no clue what you're
Did
talking
you
about.
see our vlog?
No, I didn't see.
Well, actually, you brief him. What
So
are you doing?
we were going to get, Barbies was treating me to a manicure and a pedicure, which I'd never done in my life. And the idea was just the two of us will take a camera and spend time together.
Yeah.
And we were walking in Lokhandwala market and I thought that the salon we were going to was right in front of us and it was called Flamingo. So I pointed up and I said, is it Flamingo we're going to? And all she heard was Flamingo. So she's looking up, where? There's a Flamingo in Lokhandwala market? Where?
Listen,
So sweet.
that hoarding was right above my head, okay?
Yeah.
So I couldn't see and he was a little behind me and he said flamingo. So I was like, there's a flamingo in Lokhandwala, flamingo. Anyway, but how come you got into vlogging and tell us more about
Yeah, it's
it?
interesting.
So as an actor, I always felt that there's just that much of my creativity that I can actually not just show but test myself with as well. Vlogging kind of started because of the entire idea of content creation and the holistic approach to storytelling.
Fuck, it's all gone over my head already.
Are actor without a job, camera, why not?
So that's easier now. Now I understand.
There you go.
आप
Now I
सिंपल
understand.
लैंग्वेज
हाँ,
में
मतलब
बताइए ना
Simple language
हमें भी
बताइए.
बाउंसर
We are very
तो
young
भाई
here.
ऐसा ही था.
हमें
Babis and
इतनी
me
हाई
alike.
फाई इंग्लिश नहीं आती
We
भाई
don't know all this.
हाँ, बस.
Basically, jobless actors who have nothing to do.
हाँ.
I should get into vlogging also.
Exactly. All of us should do vlogging.
I'm तो everyday vlogging on Insta. Anyway, but coming to you, Kushal, you have a very interesting show going on just now.
I'm interesting, basically.
Oh yeah, you're very interesting.
Yeah.
क्या हाल, Mr. Panchal, right?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you. Yeah, it's my show on Star Bharat.
Okay, so tell us something about it. And
वाबिस, क्योंकि आप हमारी मित्र हैं, हम आपको वरदान देना चाहते हैं. मांगिए बेटी, क्या मांगेंगी आप?
वाह,
नहीं मांगिए, कुछ मांगिए आप.
एक वर्ल्ड टूर.
वर्ल्ड टूर नहीं, बहुत महंगा है आजकल. जीएसटी का जमाना है, डिमोनेटाइजेशन हो गया, इससे नहीं होगा. आपको हम एक काम करें, आर्य मिल कॉलोनी भेजेंगे, तथास्तु हो गया, finished. That's all I can afford.
That's nice. But you yourself are like a professional dancer, of course.
I used to be,
You
yes.
are into hip hop and you've been into modern jaz.
Modern jazz.
Like I know what is hip hop, but I don't know what is modern jazz.
So contemporary, classic, and modern. There are three types of jazz, and I
Okay.
think modern jazz is a little more sort of free flowing. Today's music, and it's a little more let's say beat friendly than
Okay.
just jazz music. So it's like a little more so to say 2000s.
Oh, 2000s.
तो बेसिकली जब से डांस बार बंद हुए हैं ना तो तब से कुशाल वहाँ पे आके मॉडर्न जैज किया है.
And he's my favorite client.
You want to show
He always
me?
throws money on me.
You want to
Yele.
show me a step or something because I'm really not understanding what is modern jazz.
Yes,
yeah.
please.
Come on,
Okay.
come on,
Come on.
come on, push.
But I need to remove my jacket for that.
Okay.
Because, you know,
अच्छा तो
it's-
मैं अभी से शुरू करूँ क्या?
नहीं,
Come
अभी नहीं ठहरो.
on,
अच्छा, ठीक है.
come on.
Acha, and
show
one
us
more
the
thing,
move.
this area is too small for a modern jazz move. So can I show another form of dance?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, what?
It's called a lap dance.
Get out!
That's all I can do.
This is modern jazz.
I know you enjoyed it. Now you're going to cover it up by laughing, but it's okay.
I was actually going to modern jazz side.
No
but-
comments, no comments. Okay, thanks for that lap dance. Anyway, there's one more connection you guys have in common, the Sindhi connection. But in comparison to being a Sindhi, how come your Urdu and Hindi is so good?
I'm just talented. I don't know what to say. It doesn't mean, I mean, whatever religion you come from, you can, you know, speak well.
Well, but I
Like
have
Sindhi.
to agree with that.
I
You
didn't
are
know you're
talented.
Sindhi.
Huh?
I didn't know
Dude,
you're
I'm half Sindhi, man.
He's
I'm
half
half Parsi.
Sindhi. Parsi?
No, sorry.
No, his
half
nose looks
Maharashtrian, bro.
Parsi.
He looks
Ghati.
Parsi.
His nose looks Parsi.
Actually,
but
he
he's
looks
not Parsi.
a little like a foreigner, like Anglo-Indian.
You both do actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But no, it's just the nose. That's why people think he's Parsi, no?
No, also I'm Dorabji also, no?
What do you mean by the nose? What his nose is what?
Well, Parsis always have a long nose. Luckily, I don't have one, but he has one.
But good job your doctor did, huh? Very good. Brilliant.
Yeah, you only send me na after your nose.
Yeah,
though.
yeah. The cheeks, nose, hair.
Anyway, cut it out. So, like, you have very good Hindi and your Hindi.
Moving on to the next round.
But yeah, I'd like to do something interesting with you guys on this note.
Yes.
So, I know that you are a stand-up comedian.
Completely.
Thank you.
So-
I agree with you.
I have a situation I want to give you guys. Like, since you all, y'all are so talented. So the situation is, you both are two Sindhi boys, biker boys,
Ah.
who have bought a new bike. And I want you guys to converse in Sindhi.
Okay, so,
साईं झूलेलाल कीअं आहियो
Mast Kalandar.
हे ॾिसो
Diso?
मुंहिंजो बाइक 2 टायर पैंचो ॾाढो सुठो मुंहिंजो पिठो ऑन द बाइको एंड राइडो फास्ट
Fasto, fasto.
You know Sindhi or not?
झूलेलाल That's
It was
It's the worst Sindhis ever.
No,
was
this
a
is
conversation,
no,
right?
this was one Sindhi and a mute Sindhi you walk into.
Now it's his retort.
I thought you were having a conversation. Siddhant, you didn't say anything.
No, because I was playing a mute Sindhi.
No. You have to.
The only Sindhi I know is a Sindhi told to me by my mom whenever she
I
got
know,
angry
auntie
at
is
me.
a Hindi. Come on, you're
हाँ,
going to
तो
say.
नहीं क्या था ना
So
कि
tell him. You are the two biker boys.
मतु तो खाएं
हाँ.
चरिया that's all I know.
Charya is a very interesting
Charya.
word.
Charya, so I also love that
Charyas
word.
and chari. It's a very
Chari.
interesting word. You know,
It's
like-
universal.
From
It's
school, I
universal.
used to say Charya.
And I know
Chari.
one more word my mom used to call me, Hadan Sukho. Hadan Sukho means your bones are dried up because I was a lazy little teenage boy who just sat in front of the couch and watched. So she used to keep
Lazy?
saying, I was
Okay.
very lazy as a teenage boy. And then I always thought it was a compliment. So I was like, thanks. Because I never understood Sindhi. But it's a very sweet language. It's just that we've lost touch over the years because we are the new latest generation.
Yeah, the
In our
modern
19s,
Sindhis.
20s.
But anyways, now we guys are going to get into a fun zone. I'm going to play a game with you all. The confession box. Whoever gives me the best answers is going to win a hamper and I will decide who's the best.
Okay, Karan.
So should I get into the game? What?
No, nothing.
Nothing. काफी हो गया उसके बारे
What
में.
happened? Well, anyway, okay. So should I start?
कॉफी भी है, गाउन भी है और
हंसी भी है. हाँ.
Should I start
Yes,
after
please.
you're done bitching?
Please. No, not bitching. We're praising Karan.
Yeah, I know. That's what I said.
Okay, let's go. His turn first.
Okay. So, Sid, when you first met Megha, what about her made you flip?
Her face.
Oh,
She had a very pretty face, very like captivating face.
how sweet. Kushan, was it love at first sight with Audrey or love after second dance?
I think it was lust at first sight and then love at second sight. And then deeper love at third sight and then it just went on. But she knows it also. Because the first time I met her, it was not love and all. You know how it is.
That's
FCUK connect.
But,
quite
you
a
know,
confession.
Yeah, and she's really tall. So it was like, I think the height was something that I fell for.
Brief answers.
Yeah.
Sid, one mistake that you would never like to make in your relationship, but you still end up making it. You fear that you make it again and again.
Trying to prove my point.
Matlab?
मतलब
I agree.
है ना?
agree.
Married husbands understand this.
There's no point in debate.
There is just no point in trying to explain,
Okay.
make
Discuss,
understand,
argue.
discuss. Just say sorry.
Surrender.
बस sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Reflex action कुछ भी क्या sorry.
Kushan, whose job it has been to change Kian's diaper?
Oh man, so you know sometimes I wonder इतने छोटे body में इतना कैसे निकलता है? So the first time I was like, okay, I'm a hands-on dad, you know, I'm
yeah.
gonna go like get down and dirty. I couldn't, yeah. Like I can take the pee diaper, but the potty diaper is a bit of an issue. So I have a nanny who does that, but I'll stand and watch from a distance. Okay, I'm a part of this scenario, you know. So when he grows up, I'll say, I changed your diaper. He shouldn't feel bad.
Sid,
मतलब बाप पे गया है full.
brief answers.
अच्छा okay.
Anyway,
Enough
Sid, Megha's favorite beer brand.
Oh.
Megha's favorite. She likes Belgian wit.
Okay, Kushal, the most handy lesson you learned from Love Bites to keep yours a happy married life.
Communication and occasional separation. Occasional, like you need some time, so that happens with work.
Great. Siddhant, well, since you both are from the same profession, who's a better actor?
I think Megha is a very natural actress and therefore she's a better actor.
Okay.
Good job,
Wow,
good
wow.
job.
So, the last fight you had with Megha, what was her fault? This is a tricky one.
Only one fault? Or can I go on? Because,
Yeah, finished.
है ना? Because that's what happens usually.
Finished.
From the last fight,
Oh my god.
Okay. Acha, Sid, guess.
भाई देखो अंगूठी तो मैंने ही दी है तो
That's a giveaway. That's true.
क्या
I
सिंधी
wouldn't
दिमाग
have
है?
tried. You were talking too much. I had to come. Revealing too many things.
Okay.
when did this happen?
I've been watching you from the green room. Hello,
Megha.
gorgeous.
Welcome to Showbiz with Abhi.
Thank
Come,
you.
come,
Thank
come.
you.
Hi,
Hello, hello,
good to see
hello.
you.
Arey,
No, I
let's
don't
do
think
this. Okay, let's do this again. Yeah.
doesn't.
Thank you.
wow.
Long time no see.
I know.
Hello, hello, hello.
Wow, that's
Someone speechless.
Good to see you too.
you got a full thing going on over there.
Yeah, Sid comes next.
When did? Yeah, I better sit here. How much of bonding's been happening?
No, I'm nervous with women around. So,
So yeah, okay, like she's made quite an entry. He didn't say anything. No, I don't know what you heard.
No, we definitely have fights, yeah. Who doesn't have fights? I think it's
Yeah.
very normal to have fights.
Of course.
There would be something wrong if we weren't fighting.
But
It's it's good to fight because it keeps the passion alive. Yeah, and you're fighting for something then.
okay.
And therefore it's actually everyone says that don't fight, but it's good to fight because you realize that what you're fighting for is worth it, and that carries on. So lots of fights.
Okay. A game with you also, Megha.
Acha Jan, there is a bumper prize. There
Okay.
is a full package.
Okay.
Okay, so we have to
Bumper.
win that.
Okay, done.
Thanks, man. I was searching for that.
Done,
So
done.
Megha
Bumper,
is
it's
also
a
going to
bumper
join
hamper.
in on the dare.
Yeah.
Okay.
And now, let me ask you your first question. So, Megha, if you could fix any of Sid's body part, what would it be?
Oh my god, that's such a difficult question. I don't mind losing the bumper, but the answer is I can't, I wouldn't, and I don't want to change a thing.
Aww,
I'm
that's a
telling
sweet
you.
vibe.
Sweet.
Yeah, that's so true. I'm in awe. Every time I look at him, I'm like, wow, ये भगवान ने बनाया कैसे?
Okay, second question. The corniest line Sid has ever given you.
There are so many.
Oh my god, we have
Go
to hear
all
them.
night. Actually, when Siddhant came up to me the first time, he was like, can you help me find something? And I was like, what? And he was, he was so cheesy. He's still so cheesy. Your number.
Okay.
It's a
And
good one, no?
Yeah, it's a good one.
That's
That
not bad,
time-
yeah.
Yeah. And you have to go on like, can you help me find something? You have to be stressed about it. It's like what? Your number.
Oh, charmer.
Yeah.
But you just said that even you give a lot of cheesy lines.
Because it
What
it
she
comes.
say usually?
Yeah, usually to she tries to. What are your cheesy lines? Someone so pretty can't say anything cheesy. Yaar. Kuch bhi cheesy bolegi bhi, you're like, wow,
so
you become
many
a
compliments.
cheese connoisseur, man.
Sure.
See, I'm telling you, we are full cheese.
Soured. Good, good.
Pizza
Full
milega yahan
mush.
pe
I love
ekdam.
this. I love this. Anyway, let's
Such
move
a
on to the
fattening
next.
couple. Itna
Yeah,
cheese,
definitely. Fully loaded.
Anyway, so I've heard that you finally want Sid to settle down in Nasik. How would you convince him?
Yeah, settle down with me in Nasik.
With you, yes.
More important.
I don't think he needs any convincing, yeah, Babis, because Nasik is where our roots are. Our parents are in Nasik. We got married in Nasik. We
Awesome.
see a lot of opportunity in Nasik. It's just such a laid back town. The vibe is so much better. There's so much greenery. It's beautiful. So eventually we would like to get settled down over there. I don't think I
Great.
need to convince you.
No,
Great,
you just go
great,
live
great.
over there and I'll just come running.
Great.
Plus, it's the perfect bike ride away from.
Yeah.
Anyway, you love cooking. Of all your preparations, which is the one Sid doesn't like and you don't like that about him?
I made this one chimichurri chicken once. You remember in the Juhu
It's like
house?
a tongue twister.
I know. No, after
Sorry?
you ate it, it became, my tongue was twisted.
Chimichurri chicken. I made so many things for him. He really shiddat se ate it, and then I was like, have more, have more. Can I not have more?
मेरी chimichurri हो गई यहाँ पे.
Okay, that's cute. One last question. You prefer Sid with the beard or without the beard?
Had you asked me that a few weeks, maybe months ago, I would have said with the beard. But now it doesn't matter. Both are equally good.
But you just said that you all are a very cheesy couple and even you give cheesy lines. So, can you give us some lines?
Cheesy तो नहीं पर saucy है. एक बार आके कहती है, चल, let's catch up.
Oh my god!
She's like,
Oh, so sweet.
She's like, I'll call you later.
What?
इतना करो ना मुझे प्यार.
So corny, yaar.
Exactly.
They went and ate butta.
No, cornflakes.
Very,
Yeah,
Very good.
yeah, healthy couple.
Flaky.
anyway, on that note, I would like to ask all of you, since you all are such good looking and stunning people and so healthy, what is your health culture?
Health culture.
Start with the guy who's so healthy that his jeans
Yeah,
are
let's
being
start
ripped
with the
off.
guy who
yeah.
gives us a complex all the time. Yes.
Yeah, man, this
With
is
the
incredible
hottest
height
dad in
right here.
town.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's in the mind, I think. You have to be happy and keep the stress away, and then
So
everything
happiness
gets.
से muscles बढ़ते हैं.
नहीं, muscles. I'll tell you what. If you are stressed, how much ever you work out, it's not going to be showing. Yeah, I don't know. It just looks fake then. This is my theory.
Great.
You know, that's just
That's a nice tip.
how I
And you?
function.
Same, yeah. No stress, just bench press.
Okay, and you, Megha?
I make sure I drink a lot of water. I think that is the answer to most of your problems.
Is that with alcohol or without?
That is in bracket, that's an understood
That
thing.
alcohol you later.
Alcohol you did. And
Yeah,
tell me.
drinking a lot of water, yeah. And if you can be a little physically active, and that's it.
Now, it's time to announce the winner of the confession round. So, well, both of you were very good, but the winner is Kushal Punjabi.
So happy.
In slow motion, I love you.
I love you too.
Thank you. It was a very tough thing because it's 2 against 1, you know.
Yeah.
Well, that
I
surprise,
didn't
that surprise answer was damn good. He deserves it for that.
Amazing. There were
Thank
some
you.
answers I totally loved.
But I got my hamper right here.
Exactly. I got
That's
you
alright.
the most priceless hamper.
Yeah, for sure.
So, you go.
Oh, wow, my first
Wow.
hamper.
A gift
you.
of
Thank
good
you so
health
much. Thank you.
and good life.
Thank you, Abis.
Yay! I hope you like it.
I hope so. I'm think it looks good, and yeah.
I'm
You
sure
have
you're
to
going to
start
love it.
doing yoga now.
Yes, there's a yoga mat.
Yeah.
And there's
Yeah.
so many goodies. I'm sure you're going to love it.
Thank you.
Well,
Yoga mat
anyway, there are many more games we can play. Let's get into another game. This is my favorite.
Okay.
This, guys, I'm sure when you all are going to enjoy this. This is the expression game. I'm going to give you all a dialogue.
Okay.
And you're going to say it in different ways, okay?
Okay.
So I'm going to go with Kushal. Your dialogue is, हम अंग्रेजों के ज़माने के जेलर हैं. Aha!
I like the way you did.
It
I was
went
an
into
actor,
that.
no? Cry.
Okay. हम अंग्रेजों के ज़माने के जेलर हैं. बस तालियां.
Wow, not bad, but I'm not too sure if anyone could hear you.
I
You were
don't.
like,
That's how I
really?
cry.
पहले ऐसे ही ना,
Stop.
अंदर
I'm a
अंदर
silent crier.
Okay, one last one. Irritated.
यार हम अंग्रेजों के क्या लाइन?
अंग्रेजों के जेलर हैं हम।
अंग्रेजों के जेलर के
Angrose, you said.
क्या है?
हम अंग्रेजों के जेलर हैं।
ज़माने के जेलर हैं।
हाँ,
हम अंग्रेजों के जमाने के जेलर हैं यार, समझ में नहीं आता क्या? आहा.
Nice. Great.
Yay.
Yay. Okay. Pushpa, I hate tears.
What a lovely line.
That's why I gave him this.
Pushpa, I hate you.
I hate
I
tears.
hate tears. I've
hate-
not even
I
heard
hate
this
tears.
line.
Rajesh Khanna,
Pushpa, I hate tears.
I hate tears.
नहीं देखी यार वो पिक्चर मैंने।
You know
मैंने
who
भी नहीं
Rajesh
देखी लेकिन
Khanna
मुझे
is
पता
ना?
है.
अच्छा, yeah, हाँ.
पुष्पा रोती है तो राजेश जी बोलते हैं पुष्पा आई हेट टीयर्स.
Okay.
Surprise.
ठीक है.
पुष्पा.
I hate tears.
Okay. Why do you hate?
कितना surprising यार.
You know, this is like one actor taking the other actor's line.
This was his dialogue. Shock. Shock.
Pushpa, I hate tears यार.
Love.
लव में बहुत ज्यादा एडवांटेज ले रहा है ये.
Pushpa, I hate tears.
It's okay. I'll not cry, baby.
इधर है तुम्हारी पुष्पा.
Awesome. I have a fun one for you since you are here with Siddhant. मैं तुम्हारे बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली हूँ.
As long as it's मेरा.
Choo.
Wow, ठीक है.
Lust. Oh my god.
चल दूसरा भी बनाते हैं अभी.
Surprise.
मैं तुम्हारे बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली हूँ.
Shock.
Congratulations.
Yeah, it's as if I couldn't do that. That's how she's saying it. हाँ यार मर्द हूँ
ये
मैं.
कैसे हो गया? ये कैसे हो गया?
ये कैसे हो गया?
Shock.
मैं तुम्हारे बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली हूँ.
बताइयो.
I am shocked.
Sad.
I can't be sad on that.
Yeah,
but I'll
actually.
do it.
I'll be sad. तू मेरे बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली.
Okay, let's not do sad.
अभी तक आधार कार्ड नहीं मिला.
बनने वाले हो गई sad.
Awesome. I have to say, you guys.
Well done.
You guys
Well
are
done.
so talented, par excellence.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, anyways, I have a question for you, Megha. What is the role of your smartphone in your life today? And if your phone was taken away for a day, what would be your biggest discomfort?
The smartphone is really important for me. Yeah, now it's important for people like us to be in touch with our fans, be on social media. So that is important. That would be discomforting right now. Bigger than that would be informing my mother and Siddhant about my whereabouts. So that the fans ka thing is still doable, but mom and Siddhant should know where I am because they would immediately get worried.
Okay, that's a lovely answer. And that also calls for a centric moment selfie, guys.
Okay.
1, 2, smile everyone.
Guys, before we get into the finale, let's play one more game, which is called the Deadly Finale.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So I'm going to tell you what is the game about. It's a game of sinful apple. I will keep an apple on the table and Megha has to seek for it. We will blindfold her and then after giving her a proper spin, let her off to go on for her search. Her darling Sid will guide her to the forbidden fruit while Kushal, our partner in crime, will try and obstruct her by giving wrong or confusing instructions. Megha has to get to the apple before the time runs out, okay? So here we go. Sid,
Okay.
will
What
you
a
blindfold her,
Oh.
please?
Okay.
No cheating.
शादी में बहुत कम बार she'll be listening to me intently.
All right.
Excellent. Very good spinning.
And okay.
And just walk straight, yes. Towards
Yeah,
my voice.
now take towards the
my
left,
voice,
towards your
my
left.
voice, towards the
Yeah,
left.
okay,
Towards
now
the
keep
right,
going
towards the
straight.
right, towards the right.
Keep
towards
going
the
straight.
right.
No, no, keep
Go
going
straight,
straight,
yeah, go
straight.
straight, go
Walk,
straight,
yeah,
go
keep going straight,
Slide
keep
to
going
the right
straight,
because there's a
keep going
table.
straight.
It's
Don't
going to
worry
hit your
about
hip.
it.
शायद आपको लगेगा लेफ्ट पे जिसको राइट स्लाइड
Take a
राइट
little
स्लाइड
left
राइट
now.
बस
Stop.
that's it
Yeah, left. No, turn left, turn left, turn left, turn your body
I don't want you to
left.
get hit. I don't want
Turn
you to
body
get
left,
hit.
turn body
But
left.
if you
Yes.
can just
Take थोड़ा आगे,
see,
go
just
आगे,
little
go
little
आगे.
आगे.
Now
Now right, right, right.
bus.
Take a right,
Now
take a right,
turn
take a
left, turn left.
There's an RTO,
Now
RTO.
bend down, bend
Bend
down.
down,
Now
bend
little
down.
more left.
Little
There's
more.
a
Bas
RTO
there you
pop.
go.
Oh!
देखो भाई शादी के बाद कोई forbidden fruit नहीं लेता सब accessible fruit होता है.
Good one. That was really good.
I literally blanked out your
Well
voice.
done.
Well played,
Well
guys.
Yay!
Wish Megha had an app to guide her to the apple. She would have reached her destination faster. In today's times, apps have become very critical. Like in health, an app like Health for You keeps medical emergencies just a few fingertips away. We are very lucky that we have an option like Health for You. Book instant appointments. They are free and available on Android and Apple phones. And guess what? One lucky downloader gets the chance to win a swanky coffee mug from Kushal, Siddhant and Megha. So what are you waiting for? Start downloading and keep your fingers crossed. All the best. Don't be sad. There is something even you guys are taking home. This is a 1-year supply of organic food from the Bombay Natural Company.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
This is
Thank you, Abis. Thank you.
So I hope you're happy.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So happy.
Thank you. Yeah.
City.
I'll take
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye. See you.
Bye. Hungry? Anywhere, anytime? Download Box 8. Order food online. So if you were to describe yourself in 3 words, what would it be?
Emotional. Emotional. Very emotional.
Aww.
4 वर्ड्स का है. जो सेकेंड वर्ड है वो दुल्हन है. जो लास्ट वर्ड है, फोर्थ वर्ड, दुल्हन, पति, पति का दूसरा similar word, right? Parmeshwar, Swami, Swami, Suhag, Pati, Parmeshwar, Nath. That's the Hindi, all I can say.
It says Ma,
Oh my god.
and it's got those angel the wings and the halo. So it's like mother being the guardian angel,
It's so
and she's
so
always
sweet.
there for me.
Hi, this is Ada Khan.
Hi, this is Shashank Vyas.
Please watch Showbiz with Wabiz only on.
IndianWikimedia.com.
Yeah.
Aw.